How do we simplify this expression? Now, written out like this, we have multiplication between these two simpler expressions and then multiplication here. So we have to multiply this by this and then multiply this by this before we then subtract the result. So now let's multiply. Here, this will give x squared minus 2x, then plus 4x and minus 8. And then we have minus x squared, then plus x, minus 3x, then minus 3. Now, let's simplify further so that we have x squared negative 2x plus 4x. This will give plus 2x and then minus 8. Then we have minus x squared. This will give minus 2x, then minus 3. Now, we have to multiply everything in this second bracket by this negative so that we have x squared plus 2x minus 8, then minus x squared plus 2x, then plus 3. Now, x squared minus x squared will give 0. 2x plus 2x will give 4x, and then minus 8 plus 3 will give will give minus 5. Since the bigger number has the negative sign, so this will be minus 5. So the answer is 4x minus 5 because there is nothing else to simplify here.